Enjoy the little things in life, for someday you will realize they were the big things. Go laugh in the places you have cried, change the narrative. Never forget who ignored you when you needed them and who'd help you before you even had to ask. Remember that happiness is a way of travel, not a destination. Stop waiting for life to meet your expectations and start adjusting your expectation to meet life. Note to self: sometimes growth looks like struggle until you emerge on the other side. In every woman's life, a little girl. Remember her, let her play. She will teach you how to fly. People may say things with good intentions, but their actions prove who they truly are. I am learning to love the sound of my feet walking away from things not meant for me. Stop waiting for life to meet your expectations and start adjusting your expectations to meet life. Never give up on who you really want to be. A person with big dreams is more powerful than one with all the facts. When you have someone special in your life, don't ruin it by making stupid decisions. Whoever is bringing out the best in you, stay connected to them. No one is coming to save you. This life is 100% your responsibility. Good things are going to happen. Have faith. Stay positive. Your past is just a lesson, not a life sentence. There's no reason to look back when you have so much to look forward. Never let someone who has done nothing tell you how to do anything. Sometimes we expect too much from others because we would be willing to do that much for them. Nobody is perfect. We make mistakes. We say wrong things. We do wrong things. We fall, we get up. We learn, we grow, we move on, we live. The key to happiness is letting each situation be what it is instead of what you think it should be.